Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to deactivate a Facebook account. It's pretty easy, so to do that, head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And then scroll down and head over to settings and privacy. Go to settings. And then go to Meta Account Center. Go to personal details. And here go to account ownership and control. Head over to deactivation or deletion. Now select the Facebook account. Make sure you have checked marked on deactivate account and then tap on continue. And here you have to give your Facebook password, and once you're done with it, your Facebook account will be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.